Hey guys, what's going on? Coming at you with my Wednesday daily 8 a.m. video. Before I get into this video, make sure you like, subscribe, comment below. If you comment sub or subscribed, it enters you in a free giveaway that I'm going to do when I hit 1,000 subs. So, if you don't mind, just hit that subscribe button. The quicker I get there, the quicker I can do it. The closer I get to 1,000 subs, I'll reveal more of what it's going to be. It's obviously free if you just comment below. So today I want to talk about Ttcf, ticker is Ttcf, and Coinbase, ticker is COIN, couldn't fit it in there. So I feel like I talk about this stock every week. Some really exciting things happened in the past couple weeks on this stock. So it closed yesterday. It had a massive rally. It closed after hours at $19.98. That's basically an 11% move up yesterday. So really what made this move shift is really the news about Whole Foods, but I'll get into that below. There's also a lot of good news from earnings. They beat earnings. They, basically Target, they couldn't keep their product on the shelves nationwide from what I understand. I've tried their product myself. It's great. A bunch of their items that they have in Costco and Target mainly, so that's where I buy it. Target also said in the conference call, well, from what Sam Galletti said in the conference call, is it's the best frozen seller ever. So that's really important. I mean, Target's been around forever. They kill the game. They don't really usually pick up products that aren't worthy or don't have good sell-through. So just the fact Target took a chance in this brand, let alone they're saying statements like that, is insane. So, if that doesn't tell you anything, I mean, this company has, sky's the limit basically. A couple days ago or a week ago at this point, they acquired New Mexico Food Co. I believe that's what it's called. They acquired it cash, $35 million they paid for it. It's really just a place to ramp up production. They did like a tortilla-based product and stuff like that, so they're expanding their own brand themselves, and they're gonna have another facility. I think they bought 2 facilities from this company to pump out more product, to fulfill demand and inventory. It's just an all-around good thing. So both things are great. Obviously, Target went nationwide mid Q1. Whole Foods was announced today. They're going nationwide with some veggie items. So I can guarantee you the sell-through is going to be insane on that. And Whole Foods, obviously Whole Foods is owned by Amazon, so that's just insane that they're working with them. I do think Whole Foods is going to have a hard time keeping this product on the shelves. Obviously, this place is very expensive, relatively speaking, compared to other grocery stores. But, between Target acquiring a manufacturing plant and striking a deal nationwide with Whole Foods. So in the past, month, they did a deal with Target and Whole Foods. Obviously, Costco and Sam's Club are doing great. I think both these two guys will have more store space once they see, well, Target already knows how much it sells, but I think Whole Foods is going to find that out shortly too. So super exciting. They're all selling Ttcf. This company is going to be insane. Obviously, a couple days ago, it was at $15 a share. That was like rock bottom. I believe it was like maybe 3 weeks ago, it was $15 a share, or 2 weeks ago. So shows you how quick this moves. I think Wall Street's kind of looking at it now, seeing the potential of this stock. I do think maybe a short squeeze is coming because now people are seeing it run. When things start running like this, when it went from like 17 to basically 20 in a day, you're going to have a lot of short guys and stuff like that just jump on the wagon, and then when it pops, they're going to sell. So it might be a little volatile in the next couple days or weeks, but really buying at around $20. I mean, I started my position around $24, so it's still a great buy. I mean, if you're not in it or it's something you want to get into, would highly recommend it. I think it's just under $2 billion. I think this company's potential to be a $10, $12 billion company. So you're going to 5 to 6x your money if you buy it now, if you believe in that long term. So that's what I got on Ttcf. Super exciting. Didn't obviously buy. This is above my cost base now. My cost base is like $18.80. So as I've made in my previous videos, I'm fully built out in Ttcf. I actually wanted to go 100%. I went, it was 16 or like high 15s. I kept buying the videos. I said like, I bought. So I actually went over what I really wanted to build my position to be, but that's fine. Obviously, it's going to be worth it in the long run, especially with all this news. Like, I'm not worried about it. If it ever goes down to the 17s again, I'm buying again, like for sure. So obviously I'll make a video if I do that and say what percentage I bought. Now with this news right here, I mean, I feel confident I would buy more if it went down, but I'm gonna wait for the short squeeze and this little hike thing to go away before I don't like buying when it's rallying up. I just don't do that. So, especially when it's above my cost base. And I also, today, I was saying yesterday how's the stock to watch, Coinbase. I actually bought some at $244.89. It was under $250, I had to do it. I actually added 13% to my cost base. So that's pretty heavy for me. Usually I do like the 8 to 10, especially this is a super long-term play for me. The crypto market's got its ruffle shaking because of Elon and the Bitcoin's correcting, Dogecoin's kind of doing who knows what, and Ethereum's doing its thing. So I moved my cost base from 344 to roughly about 315. I would like to get my cost base under 300 eventually, but again, I'm gonna kind of roll with what the market gives me. If it's under 250 here and there, if I have, if it's a green day and this stock's hurting or some more bad news of crypto came out and, the market's just kangarooing, I'll chip at this. I really want to get under 300, like I said, and build this position out decently because I do think, I don't know when, but it could be a month, it could be 6 months, it could be a year, but I do think Coinbase is going to be $1,000 per share stock eventually, especially once there's some sort of, I just need to figure stuff out with the whole crypto stuff, but I do believe in it. So if you believe in crypto, this is the biggest broker right now. They're super profitable. I think they're going to do big things. Thoughts on the market? I think, honestly, it's going to leg down one more time. I think that the Fed's going to come out and admit that inflation's bad. They're going to have to raise rates a little sooner than expected. That's going to make the market panic. Obviously, the market doesn't like when interest rates go up in general. So I really think there's going to be one more leg down within the next couple, 2 to 4 weeks. So I'm just staying patient. I still have 22% cash. Tomorrow I'll probably have a little bit more. I'll probably have like 24%. But I'm just staying patient with it. I mean, I'm in no rush to build my whole portfolio to max out and have no cash. I just don't want to be in that position. So it's super important to have cash on the sideline for opportunities like Coinbase at 244, which is crazy. I think it's cheaper now. But yeah, so really pumped about Ttcf. I think they're going to do big things. Once this thing takes off, I don't think it's going to come back down. So I could see it being $25 by the next month, to be honest. I still do think it'll be $40 plus a share by the end of the year. I've been saying that since the beginning of this year. I got some hate comments in the comments below saying you're crazy, oh, it's done, or oh, it's not going to go above 22 again. Like, we'll see. It's already at 20, so we'll see. But yeah, that's all I got. Again, if you want to qualify for my giveaway, just make sure you subscribe. It's in the corner right there, and just hit sub or subscribe and comment below, and that means you qualify. So that's all I got. Until tomorrow, peace.